Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Google Sheets not loading on Chrome. If Google Sheets won't load in Chrome or get stuck on loading, the problem is usually caused by a browser issue, a conflicting extension, corrupted cache, or a network problem. Try these fixes until Sheets works again. So first is to refresh the page. So start with a hard refresh to reload the page without using cache files. So on Windows, you can press Control Shift plus R plus Control plus F5. Or if you're using Mac, you can press CMD plus Shift plus R. You can also click this circle R right here to refresh the page and see if that works. Next is to check your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can prevent Google Sheets from loading properly. So restart your router if needed, or you can try opening another website to verify your connection. You can also go to your settings, then from here, go to network and internet, then click Wi Fi and make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. You can also turn this off for about 10 to 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Or you can switch from Wi Fi to data or from data to Wi Fi. Then go back to Google Sheets and see if that works. Next is to disable Chrome extensions. So, some extensions, especially ad blockers and privacy tools, can interfere with Google Sheets. So, open Chrome and click this extension icon at the top right, or you can also click the three dots right here, then look for extensions, and then go ahead and click manage extensions. So disable extensions one by one, then go back to Google Sheet, then reload the page and see if that works. Now, next is to update Google Chrome. So, running an outdated browser may cause compatibility issues. So, click the three dots in the top right, then scroll down to the bottom, go to Help, then click About Google Chrome. Then, from here, so install any available updates. So, as you can see, mine is updating. So, wait for it to finish, then restart Chrome, and that's it. Thank you for watching.